Hi guys, welcome to the short video about how to calibrate the compass on the FITVII smartwatch. Somebody asked me about that and it seems it's really not so easy. Here you have the watch. To go to the compass we have to go to the left side and then a little bit down. So here I have it and now it is already working, as you can see. But sometimes it will ask you to recalibrate. So here at the moment when I look at this, it seems to be pretty accurate, and this is how I did it. Unfortunately I cannot show you the thing anymore because when I invoke it now at the moment it is showing directly the compass and doesn't ask me to calibrate anymore. So yeah, this is what I did. Let's go back to the page. I was holding it like this and was something like moving it around. So it is actually showing an 8 in the instructions, but it doesn't show you how to hold your watch. So I was trying a lot of things. So first I was making something like a real 8, like with a race car, or you have also the possibility to make it this way, of course. And once it worked for me when I was doing the 8 like this, a little bit faster, so it was working. And then after that next time it was not working anymore, so I tried with this thing here. And yeah, now it seems it was working and it doesn't ask me to recalibrate again. So this is something like this. It is a little bit strange move, not a real 8, something similar, and it worked. I mean, I hope I have been able to help you a little bit with that, and I hope it really works for you too. And just let me know in the feedback area if it works for you. If not, yeah, just let me know as well. And yeah, whatever you have, write it down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.